that's when you push into your elbows. Yeah, and come back towards me. Yes. And then if you go too much, push into your fists. Yes. Elbows, elbows, elbows. Fascinating. What a difference 5 days makes. Keep breathing, but it's perfect. That was awesome. Okay, stop. Come down. Yeah. First of all, you should always take this off and never practice with it. Interlace everything. This. Okay, only one finger's the bottom. So which one is your bottom? Interlace everything. Interlace everything. This is your bottom. Okay, good. Now uncross your thumbs. Uncross. Okay. Don't forget. Don't forget. Now head off the ground. Good. Downward dog. Now, jump to me. Good, perfect. I'm here the whole time. You never fall. Always here. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. Good, I'm here. Keep breathing. Good breathing. Good breathing. Down one leg. Perfect. You push more. Push. Yes, I can pull you. You push against me. Yes, like that. Yes, like that. Try what without the wall? I definitely mind. Yeah. I mean, huh? If you jump up against without the wall and fall, it will be a disaster like you cannot possibly want to imagine. If you flip out into a back bend with the back bend that you have, it will not work. You will crash and it will not be fun. So no, you do not want to do it without a wall yet, until you have the strength, or until you have the back bend ability to fall into a back bend, which you don't have yet. Okay, so you can do it without the wall, but only if you don't really try to jump up. So it's like you're going up halfway, you know, you're here and you're not really trying to go up, you're just going halfway up and practicing, because you don't want to go too far and then not make it, or go too far and fall. It's just not worth it, okay? So yes, the whole thing I'm saying is that you got to do it through both. You don't do it through handstand away from the wall, yeah? Good. Good. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. Good. So you're going to push into your arms. Keep breathing. So you push. Yes. I pull you push. Yes. I pull you push. Yes. I pull you push. Yes. Breathe.
Stop pulling me.
Stop what? Making you laugh? Too bad.
You're like, I pull you push.
You have to understand the idea that push into your arms and stop momentum. Yes, swing through your legs. One more time. Good, that's it. So then it's your fists, and then if you go the other way, you gotta push in your elbows. And then you come back towards me, and then it's your fists. You go back away from me, and then you push your elbows. That's the game. Fists, elbows. Breathing up. Good. Down one leg. All right, take your break. Good job.